نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson 21. In this lesson we will learn al-fi'l al-madi, past tense verb in the Quran. The first ayah is ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل. Have you not considered how your Lord dealt with the companions of the elephant? ألم ترى. Have you not considered? ألم ترى. Have you not considered? The Hamza at the beginning meaning asking a question. كيف, how. كيف, how. فعل, dealt. فعل, dealt or did. ربك, your Lord. ربك, your Lord. بأصحاب الفيل, with the companions of the elephant. بأصحاب الفيل, with the companions of the elephant. أصحاب الفيل, the companions of the elephant. One ba comes بأصحاب الفيل, with the companions of the elephant. Here فعل is فعل ماضي, past tense verb, meaning he did. فعل, he did. ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل. Have you not considered how your Lord dealt with the companions of the elephant? And the second ayah is وَدَخَلَ الْمَدِينَةَ عَلَى حِينِ غَفْلَةٍ. And he entered the city at the time of inattention. Wow meaning and. دخل, he entered. دخل, he entered. Al-Madinah, the city. على, on or at. حين, time of. غفلة, inattention. Or غفلة, or ignorance. Here دخل is past tense verb, meaning he entered. دخل, he entered, is on the wazn of فعل. دخل, on the wazn of فعل. دخل, فعل. So this is the pattern. دخل, فعل. دخل, he entered. ودخل المدينة على حين غفلة. And he entered the city at the time of inattention. And the third ayah is فعلم ما لم تعلموا فجعل من دون ذلك فتحا قريبا. He knew what you did not know, and he arranged before that a conquest near. علم, he knew. فعلم, so he knew. Remember, this fa comes for many things. It's ataf, it joins two sentences together. It comes in the meaning of so, then, and. So, alima, he knew. Ma, what. Lam ta'lamu, you did not know. Lam ta'lamu, you did not know. Faj'ala, he arranged. Faj'ala, and he arranged. Ja'ala, he arranged or he made. Min duni dhalika, before that. Min duni, before dhalika, that. Fathan, a conquest. Fathan, a conquest. Qariban, near. Qariban, near. Alima, he knew, is past tense verb fi'l madi. It is on the wazn of fa'ila. Alima, on the wazn of fa'ila. This is the pattern. And the next verb is ja'ala, he arranged. Ja'ala, he arranged or he made. On the wazn of fa'ala. Ja'ala, fa'ala. فعلم ما لم تعلموا فجعل من دون ذلك فتحا قريبا. He knew what you did not know, and he arranged before that a conquest near. And the fourth ayah is فقد نصره الله. Allah has helped him. Nasarahu, he helped him. Nasara, he helped. Nasara, he helped. Who, him. Who, him. Nasarahu, he helped him. Nasarahu, he helped him. Nasarahullah, Allah helped him. So the he in Nasara is Allah. He helped him, meaning Allah helped him. Nasarahullah, Allah helped him. Faqad nasarahullah, Allah has helped him. The ayah number 5. الذي جعل لكم الأرض فراشا والسماء بناء. He who made for you the earth a bed, meaning spread out, and the sky a ceiling. الذي جعل لكم, he who made for you. الذي جعل لكم, he who made for you. الأرض فراشا, the earth a bed, meaning spread out. الأرض فراشا, the earth a bed. والسماء بناء, and the sky a ceiling. والسماء بناء, and the sky a ceiling. Here, جعل, he made, is past tense verb, فعل ماضي, on the wazn of فعل. جعل is past tense verb. الذي جعل لكم الأرض فراشا والسماء بناء. He who made for you the earth a bed, meaning spread out, and the sky a ceiling. Ayah number 6. هو الذي خلق لكم ما في الأرض جميعا. It is he who created for you all of that which is on the earth. هو الذي خلق لكم. It is he who created for you. هو الذي خلق لكم. It is he who created for you ما في الأرض, which is on the earth. ما في الأرض, which is on the earth. جميعا, all of that. جميعا, all of that. خلق is past tense verb فعل ماضي, meaning he created. خلق, he created, on the wazn of فعل. هو الذي خلق لكم ما في الأرض جميعا. It is he who created for you all of that which is on the earth. Ayah number 7. إذ أبق إلى الفلك المشحون. When he ran away to the loaded ship. إذ, when. إذ, when. أبق, he ran away. أبق, he ran away. إلى, to. الفلك المشحون, the loaded ship. الفلك, the ship. المشحون, loaded. الفلك المشحون, the loaded ship. Here the verb أبق. It is past tense verb فعل ماضي, meaning he ran. أبق, he ran, on the wazn of فعل. إذ أبق إلى الفلك المشحون. When he ran away to the loaded ship. There are many past tense verb الفعل الماضي in the Quran. Let's see some of them. كفر, he disbelieved. كفر, he disbelieved. أخذ, he took. أخذ, he took. جمع, he collected. جمع, he collected. نزل, he descended. نزل, he descended. رضي, he pleased, or he is pleased. رضي, he pleased. خشيع, he feared. خشيع, he feared. سجد, he prostrated. سجد, he prostrated. كذب, he lied. كذب, he lied. Try to memorize these. Try to look in the Quran and find out all the past tense verb on the wazn of فعل and فعل. Now it is your time to study. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the ability to study, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept this from us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and ring the bell for the upcoming videos. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.